teacher Tay. And today we are going to learn how to make easy and delicious sandwich. And these are the ingredients today. Tomatoes, cucumbers, bread, and these lettuce, crab sticks, hot dog. Oh, no, cheese slice,
รอเราเปิดเตอร์เข้าก่อน
mayonnaise, and ketchup. And now it's time to start making sandwich. Okay, first of all, it's easy. Just you take 2 slices of bread like this, okay? And then separate mayonnaise. Wow, I think it's delicious. Like this.
like this
And next is and next add lettuce add onion and add cucumber and next tomatoes. After that, you put a crab stick or ปูอัด like this ปูอัด crab stick. And the last one is hot dog. It's easy to make your sandwich at home. And then this is my sandwich. And I think it's delicious and easy to make at home. And then you cutสิ่งที่ได้ก็จะเป็น
Wow!
And finally, I think it's easy for everyone is eat it. Delicious. And now it's finished my class. Thank you. Hope you all enjoy with my English class. Bye bye.